Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a video about getting my bird school ready, because I'm doing a bird school. We'll be doing vlogs about it for special occasions. But here's Cookie for the first bird school thing we'll be doing is like the bird camp, and when Cookie comes in, and photos of what the students were doing. But here's Cookie, here's my little Cookie. Yo yo yo, what's up bird fans? Oh, Cookie. Can you hear Nachos? Yeah. So I'm going to be getting like student packs and stuff for the school. So I'm going to let this record and sit. I'm going to let Cookie sit here up on the laptop. I don't mind the mess. I have a messy room. Nothing's. I need to put a lamp on so I can see, because my other things like just here, it's busted, that bulb. Ow! Oh, Cookie. Don't act like Nachos. Come on. You stay there. Yeah, you stay there. Oh, I'll get Nachos for you. You'd be a bit cranky that I haven't got Nachos for you. Nachos and Cookie. There you go. There you go. I'm just gonna sit there. You might make some little chattering noises, but I'm gonna go get Nachos and some paper. Look, Nachos.
That's okay.
Nachos.
You might be mad at me. I got double TC. Lol.
Holly got double TC. Ha! Give me Nachos. Come on. Look at Nachos. Oh. Nachos. No. Oh, Nachos. Oh, look at me cute little noises. So, I need to get some of these student packs. I'm going to get some pencils one day. Oh, so cute. So I'm going to get this paper and I'm going to fold it. He's going to nibble the paper. No. Okay. Maybe each student might have one book. So I might have to write out in my thing that they only have one book, because this is quite thick, I can feel. And it smells like fresh paper just being chopped. Oh, Nachos. Now you're going to make everything loud. So we'll staple this together. But not now, because I haven't got a staple, so I have to take these packs, maybe. See if I can find something. So I haven't found anything, but I will staple them one day. But I think they're going to be stapled because they're quite thick. But I got a couple. I'm going to put this over here. My bird school stuff. So this is the student pack pile. This is the teacher pack. But right now I've got some little sheets for them to do. But like how to draw feathers, how to draw beaks. A homework sheet for them to do. Yes, Cookie. I know it's a budgie. I also got this damaged one over here that I accidentally. Yeah. So I'm going to have to try and look at this and try and rewrite it. Make a couple of new sheets. But these are very special ones. They're not going to be written at all. But they will go here. Some of my original plans for the school are in this book here. So original plans that might not even be around anymore. So some of these, subjects: bird science, learn about facts, bird history, nests and food, bird art. And now the new subjects. I'm gonna get my new book here. This mini one. It's got some of the first term things. So upcoming excursions, which I'll read to you in a minute. So subjects now is English, which we didn't have English before. Fact time is now to learn about facts is now called fact time. History is still there, it's called history. Science is of course still there, it's actually first on that list. And then there's art, which is still there. But nests and food is like a subject or a thing that they do. And special subjects. We've now got some new subjects, which is very special. And there's learn to spell words, Ava and Ellie. Ellie is Aiden's little sister. Bird math, Harley. He doesn't know anything about math. Now, there's many worksheets to do. And there wasn't any worksheets on this thing. But now, the bird school trips and special events, now they're just called excursions. Upcoming excursions, which are in the order, top to bottom. Budgie Avery Tour, which was there. It's called Explore Budgies, that used to be. It's Explore Budgie Riggers, but now it's called Budgie Avery Tour, 25th of March. It didn't have any dates because we didn't know any, but now we do. Bird Camp, of course, was still there, 21st or 24th of April. I'm so excited for that one. I know stop we're doing it, definitely. And Cookie comes in. Yep, that was there. Cookie comes in 16th of June. Birdshed Tour. Yep, Birdshed Exploration was what it used to be called. 8th of October. And now, New Year's Party! Yay! But that will be recorded because it won't be about school. Ava, close the door.
Can I just tell you something?
Yeah.
Holly got 2 TCs.
Lol. Nachos, no. Okay, go away. Please, later. Don't act like you're in Minecraft where you're really sad. That is the stupidest face I've ever seen. Okay. Go away! Go away! Cookie? I know you don't want to. Look. Go on, go next to Cookie. Yes, it's better than Nachos. New Year Party, 31st of December. Really, really exciting. Recorded on this iPad. Bird camp, bring your things. Water bottle, clothes, sleeping bag, blank book, which is like a writing book, like a piece of paper, or not paper because it's just boring. You need lots of information. There probably might be books given to you there. Oh, your front line. Pencil, reading book, torch, and bag to keep all your stuff in. Forms to be handed out soon. Okay, now the student school pack. Now, let me find that. I did have the student school pack in. Oh, it says here just a list of birds. So birds that I think we're used to be learning about, like parrots, water birds, finches, nocturnal birds, forest birds, honeyeaters and miners, honeyeater and miners, wrens. Those are still right. forest birds are like, oh, not Cookie, don't bite Nachos. Oh, you're always just cleaning him. Now camp, we learn about nocturnal birds. So this is what's still here, but not in this book. But camp, we'll be learning about nocturnal birds because it's more suitable for that thing. Class time, parrots and forest birds. That's what we'll be learning throughout the year. Oh, Cookie, you're so cute. Nachos won't let me. And when Cookie comes in, we learn about wrens, finches, and honey eaters. Nachos is like plonked down, and Cookie's like standing up straight. It reminds me of those two budgies in my budgie book that I have. Now the daily schedule, which is basically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Roll, back time, nests and food, which is like we're not going to do anymore. So roll, back time, and English, and well, not English, just English like writing and doing bird stuff. And then we have lunchtime, and then we're going to have more fact time, bird science, and history. So that's when we have the students go on to science, idle stuff, and then the birds, the kids go on to history, and then the science teacher, which is Aiden, will do his stuff. And then tea, which is like afternoon tea, and then bird art. You get to do bird art. Are you listening, Nachos? Are you listening? Or you just look like a cranky eagle, and Cookie's just preening himself. Special activities: spelling birds, parts of a bird. That's when you like to get to do really cool stuff, like during like Tuesdays and Thursdays. We get to do things like that, but that's not true. That's not right anymore. That's not there anymore. Special activities is parrot workbook, other workbooks. Now this is that's just stuff that Aiden's gonna have and everything. Oh yeah, this is the science teacher pack, which is not really easy to read. Food for little birds, students. So this is food for the students. Lunch, food. So you get food, fruit salad, sandwich, ham and cheese, and meat pies. It's only just sandwiches now and meat pies. Fruit salads, no, not anymore. Drinks, apple juice and water. That's still there. Tea, chocolate, fudge bar, dipping crackers, and shapes. I will put that in. I have put that in my backyard bird books, the little mini book here. Yep. Student school pack, 3 books. No, and not anymore. I've just changed that to 1 book now. And then they got 1 eraser, yes. 2 pencils, yes. 1 sharpener, yes. That's gonna have to those 2 pencils will last the term, and then I get new pencils, and possibly anything that you need. Extra books, fact book, and what's manual. No, not really a fact book anymore. It's more of a parrot workbook, and the what's manual is not going to be like that anymore. They're going to use books in the classroom. But yeah, teacher pack, bird book, stick, chalk, blue tack, pins, and paper. I will still have some paper, and I'll have my big bird book over there, and I have chalk for the blackboard, pins for the notice board, blue tack for putting things on the wall. Yeah, so that's all. The sticks for like pointing to things if children are not awake. Or just for pointing on things when they are awake. Bird's eye view of this classroom. So that's not right anymore. They've only got 3 students now. So they're going to have single desks. And there's going to be the water bottle area there. And the door now opens on the outside. Then I just don't know what everything is. Backyard bird school, BBS, maybe like that. And inside, not really like that anymore. Items in school, reading books, desks. So this is this desk, because of 1 big desk. Teacher's desk, student school pack. Student school pack and teacher school pack. And this is some art students. Harley, Ava, Ellie. Teacher, Charlotte, main teacher. And Aiden, science teacher and helper. And I'm now the principal too, because I came up with this school. BBS awards, so backyard bird school awards. And I'm going to probably change it up a little bit. And that's it. End of the book. So now I need to get more books made. Just one more and I'll get some packs. Put them into packs. So I'll be back in a minute. Next book. Well, last book for the students for this term. Plenty of writing space. Now I will make some worksheets later. But they do have there's three books here, Harley's, Ava's and Ellie's. Mine. Now I'll show you the Parrot workbook and the lab information. The Parrot workbook, we've got like the little words here for the tests. And here, it's like the first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, fifth lesson, sixth lesson, seventh lesson, 8th lesson, and tests and like their marking. And then there's term 2 book. They get Miners and Honeyeaters workbook. Term 3 Wrens and Finches workbook, and term 4 Seabirds workbook. So they're just workbooks. They get to learn about parrots this term basically. And then the lab, I'm going to read to you about this. This is new. I made this today at school. Lab events. So food experiment. They get to like experiment for bird food, and food assessment. Lab teacher, name Aiden Stevens. Cool. Map of the lab, so that's the map. And the science teacher pack, field guide, which is Aiden's little book he's good at school. Pencil, notebook, and fact cards he came up with. Science days, Tuesdays and Thursdays. We are learning this year term 1 food, term 2 nests, term 3 camouflage, term 4 eggs. Experiment sheets are just sheets, and then this is what they're like, some of the examples of what they were doing for the first day or so, or when they first do science, they'll be learning that. And this is my lab book. And now backyard bird school, learn about birds. Upcoming excursions, I've already said that. Bring your things. So now student school packet says 3 books, nope, 1 parrot book or workbook. They'll say will vary every single term. 1 sharpener, 1 eraser and 2 pencils. Those are all correct still. Homework with Budgies, that's 25th of March. That's homework I'll be giving to Ava and Harley and Ellie. Teacher name tags, owner of school and class teacher, teacher Charlotte 3. Aiden Stevens, science teacher. Sheets will be handed out every week for homework. Food in lunchroom. Food, ham and cheese sandwich, meat pies, drinks, water and apple juice. Parrot books and spelling in English. Now that's changed. You gotta write that. Well, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I added that now. Just like what it looks like. And map of school is actually changed now. Now it's areas in the school, and then we'll get some buildings built. That's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna make some worksheets with some of my extra paper. Now these here, I know they haven't really much birds on them, but they might be used for reward stickers. I've got some emojis, stuff like that. I'll see if I can find some birds at the cheap shop. So this I have to do now is the teacher's pack and the student's pack. So I'm going to make 3 student packs. 1, 2, and 3. So this is my pencil. So I have to have these and my parrot workbook to read to them. Okay, so backyard bird school, learn about birds. And so what's in the teacher pack? Doesn't have to say the teacher pack. But I know that I have a stick, my pencil, the science teacher. Yep, he got his. So I got his pencil somewhere. Here it is, down here. This is Aiden's pencil to use in science time. A notebook I'm going to have to make. So the science teacher pack here. He already got a field guide and fact cards I'll be making to give to him to fill out. And you have about 5 of them for the first term. Not much in here that I could use. Now I've just got to use this eraser and cut out 3 of them. See if I can find some scissors later and I can cut them some little mini erasers. No, they won't really have the sharpener anymore. So there's the eraser. I have to find a stick in the backyard or something to use as my pointing stick. And I had some blue tack somewhere. Yep, here's my blue tack. Oh, Cookie. And some blue tack to put in the wall, and maybe might get some pins too. I got some pins somewhere. But I will be using blue tack for the first time. Oh, Cookie. Nachos, come here. I got two little budgies on my shoulder. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, Nachos, it's okay. So now I'm going to end the video and I'll show you what this looks like. So we've got the packs and starting to get ready. I think I might have some pencils. I might have to start with one pencil for the first few weeks until I can get them a couple more. But they do have lots of work to do and they've got lots of worksheets to make. So just the student packs here. And they'll start doing them on the holidays. But it is getting really good. And oh, so that's what they're doing. See you, bye birdies. I'll see you see you guys on YouTube live. Like I might do a live video on Friday, so stay tuned to that. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching me, you better subscribe. Because I will be posting more bird vlogs later this week. Nachos. Ow! You know, just. Oh, Cookie. It was so cute. Bye.